For over 1,000 years, the English monarchy has been, at the heart of the nation's story, a symbol of continuity, power, and transformation. From the Norman conquest to the reign of Elizabeth II, the monarchy has seen revolutions, scandals, wars, and reforms. But what lies beneath the crowns and titles? In this video, we'll explore 8 key moments that define the English monarchy, revealing how it has evolved over the centuries. Whether you view the monarchy as an institution of grandeur or a relic of the past, its history is undeniably fascinating. Our story begins in 1066, a year that transformed England forever. William the Conqueror, Duke of Normandy, defeated King Harold II at the Battle of Hastings, marking the end of Anglo-Saxon rule. William's coronation established the Norman dynasty, introducing a new feudal system and centralizing royal power. This period also saw the construction of iconic castles, like the Tower of London, symbolizing the monarchy's might. The Norman conquest reshaped England's language, culture, and governance, laying the foundation for the monarchy's enduring legacy. In 1215, King John faced a rebellion from his barons, leading to the signing of the Magna Carta. This document limited royal authority for the first time, establishing that even the king was subject to the law. While its immediate impact was limited, Magna Carta became a cornerstone of constitutional governance, influencing the development of parliamentary democracy. It was a reminder that the monarchy could not rule unchecked, setting a precedent for future struggles between the crown and its subjects. The Wars of the Roses were a series of brutal civil wars between the rival houses of Lancaster and York. The conflict culminated in 1485 at the Battle of Bosworth, where Henry Tudor defeated Richard III, becoming Henry VII. His reign marked the end of the Middle Ages and the beginning of the Tudor dynasty. The Tudors strengthened the monarchy and oversaw pivotal changes, including the English Reformation. This turbulent period highlights the monarchy's resilience amid chaos and its ability to adapt to changing times. Few monarchs are as infamous as Henry VIII, whose quest for a male heir led to the English Reformation. In 1534, Henry declared himself supreme head of the Church of England, breaking from the Catholic Church and the Pope. This move not only reshaped England's religious landscape, but also expanded the monarchy's power. Henry's 6 marriages and the dissolution of the monasteries defined his reign, leaving a lasting impact on the monarchy and the nation's identity. The 17th century saw the monarchy face its greatest challenge. Disputes over royal authority and taxation led to the English Civil War, pitting King Charles I against Parliament. In 1649, Charles was tried and executed for treason, a shocking moment that abolished the monarchy and established the Commonwealth under Oliver Cromwell. Although the monarchy was restored in 1660 under Charles II, the execution of a king underscored the limits of royal power and the rising influence of Parliament. In 1688, the Glorious Revolution ended the reign of James II, a Catholic monarch whose policies alienated much of the nation. Parliament invited William of Orange and his wife Mary to take the throne, establishing a constitutional monarchy. The 1689 Bill of Rights enshrined parliamentary supremacy, limiting the crown's powers and ensuring regular elections. This moment marked a turning point, transforming the monarchy from an absolute institution to a symbolic one that worked in partnership with Parliament. Queen Victoria's reign symbolized the height of British imperial power and the transformation of the monarchy into a moral and cultural institution. As industrialization and empire reshaped Britain, Victoria became the grandmother of Europe, fostering a sense of stability during a time of rapid change. Her long reign also set the stage for the modern monarchy, emphasizing public service and ceremonial roles over direct political power. The 20th century brought new challenges for the monarchy. During World War I, the royal family changed its name to Windsor, distancing itself from its German roots. The abdication crisis of Edward VIII in 1936 tested the monarchy's stability, but under George VI and later Elizabeth II, it adapted to changing times. Today, The monarchy faces questions about its relevance in a modern democracy, yet its role as a symbol of continuity and national identity continues to resonate, making it an enduring part of British life. From William the Conqueror to the Windsors, the English monarchy has weathered a millennium of change. It has evolved from absolute rule to constitutional partnership, surviving wars, revolutions, and scandals. Whether viewed as an institution of tradition or one of reinvention, the monarchy remains a fascinating lens through which to explore England's history. What do you think is the monarchy's most defining moment? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore more captivating stories from history.